Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer stock options with Charles Schwab, full guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring stock options with Charles Schwab, log into your Charles Schwab account. Navigate to the Accounts tab located at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Transfers. Choose the option for transferring securities. Next, identify the account you wish to transfer options from. Select the account that will receive the transferred options. Now, locate the stock options you intend to transfer. Click on the checkbox next to the options you want to include. Review the transfer details to ensure everything is correct. If you have any comments or special instructions, enter them in the provided text box. Proceed to click on the Continue button. You will be prompted to review the transfer summary. Double-check all information regarding the stock options. If everything appears accurate, click on the Submit button to finalize the transfer. After submission, you will receive a confirmation message. Keep this confirmation for your records. Follow up on your transfer status by returning to the Transfer section in your account. Wait for the completion of the transfer, which usually takes a few business days. Once completed, verify that the stock options have been successfully deposited into your receiving account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.